Hi friends, I am Tamilarasan. I am pursuing Electronic Communication Engineering at Kalaignar Karunanidhi Institute of Technology. My project mates are Nivedha and Priyanka. Now Nivedha will explain the prototype.
Our project is mainly designed to solve the problems like women harassment, child abuse, strangers attack, robberies of jewels. It is mainly designed to safeguard the women, children and old people inside the home. Now Priyanka will explain the working of the prototype.
Here we have a white switch which acts as a doorbell. When doorbell is pressed, the camera captures the images and sends notification to your mobile.
We have two more additional features in it. If the image is not clear or if we want to capture the image again, we can capture and we can also virtually unlock the door. Now I am going to show how to unlock the door virtually. When I press this button, the lock will be unlocked and after 3 seconds, it will be locked again. As the doorbell is pressed, I get a notification in my phone. Our prototype can also be accessed without an internet. This is how our prototype solves the social problems.